Salam wa rahmatullah.
I have like a YouTube channel that I want to use it to spread the knowledge, and like I don't show myself, but there is like a character, of course, drawn in a halal way that have my voice. Is this halal?
A woman's voice, according to the most authentic opinion of scholars, is not awrah. So there are scholars who said that no, a woman's voice must be concealed, she must not speak, but this is not correct or authentic. Women used to address the Prophet ﷺ whenever they needed to do so. They used to communicate with other non-mahram men in the market whenever there's a necessity. So they used to communicate with one another while abiding by Sharia rules and regulations. When it comes to preaching, this is unheard of and uncalled for. Mother Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, and with all of our mothers, she was the mother of the believers. None of the Muslims could have married her after the Prophet ﷺ, as this was prohibited in the Qur'an. Nevertheless, she never addressed the Muslims in the masjid, though she was their mother, though she was the most knowledgeable of most of them, if not all. She had more knowledge than the vast majority of companions, male and females. Yet, she never addressed them, nor did Salama, or Zainab bin Jahsh, or Safiya, or Habiba, or Hafsa. None of the mothers of the believers had ever come forward to preach or call others to Islam publicly. So, coming into your channel, you must not have your voice heard like this, even if it's a voice over a cartoon character. Because this was not done by the Salaf, this was not done by the righteous predecessors of ours, and hence you should not do this, because you never know when there is fitna, and when there would be someone with illness in his heart who would be tempted by your voice.